Hello, friend. This is Ryan Hicks of TaughtToProfit.com, and today I want to talk to you about how a thank you might be your only reward. There are people who get frustrated if somebody doesn't say thank you if they hold the door open for them or if they've done some good. Well, they didn't even say thank you. Here's an important thing to note, though. Jesus in Matthew chapter 6, verses 1 through 4 says this, "Take heed that ye do not your alms before men, to be seen of them. Otherwise ye have no reward of your Father which is in heaven. Therefore, when thou doest thine alms, do not sound a trumpet before thee, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and in the streets, that they may have glory of men. Verily I say unto you, they have their reward. But when thou doest alms, let not thy left hand know what thy right hand doeth, that thine alms may be in secret, and thy Father which seeth in secret himself shall reward thee openly." You see, when you're looking for a thank you, a pat on the back, some sort of recognition from a group of people or just the individual you're helping, you've received all the reward you're going to ever receive. Jesus doesn't say, well, you're going to limit your reward. He says, otherwise ye have no reward of your Father which is in heaven. Many people are wondering why God isn't blessing them, and yet they are robbing themselves of the reward of their Father which is in heaven by doing things to be seen of people, to be seen as a good person, and get a pat on the back from the person you're helping, or get some sort of acknowledgement. When the reality is, if they thank you or don't thank you, you should be happy because God's going to reward you. Otherwise, all you have to hope for that good deed as a reward is that thank you, and that's pretty pathetic. And that is why so many people go through life not being blessed, not receiving blessings, wondering why one business fails after another. But they've done this to themselves. Every time God tries to reward them, they steal the reward back. And they do whatever they can to ensure they don't get rewarded by seeking the petty praises of men or some temporal pleasure over the long-term reward of doing the right thing. This is why I stress hard, diligent, intelligent, smart work. Because so many people want a reward, but they refuse to do the things needed to get it. And then what they really want is not the blessing of God in their lives. They want the praises of men. That's what they really want. They want to be prosperous and blessed so they can have somebody pat them on the back and tell them what a nice car they have or what a nice house they have. They don't even like those things. They just like the praises of men. My friend, I have to stress this. You need to be seeking the reward that comes from God. His reward is abundant, magnificent, overflowing wealth, riches, prosperity, health, happiness, joy, love. And you're throwing it all away to get a pat on the back or a thank you from someone who you don't even care about their opinion and don't even really respect their word, but you're so desperate for the praise of men that you ignore the reward of God. And you shun the reward of God in order to get the praises of men. My friend, I want you to go back and read Matthew chapter 6, verses 1 through 4. Read it 10 times and just let it sink in. This isn't just you limiting a reward. Jesus says very plainly, otherwise ye have no reward. Zero. You may have years of good works and you'll have no reward because you were only doing it to get the praises of men, to get that thank you. And that thank you may be the only reward you'll ever get because your mind was not focused on doing the things that are pleasing to God for the right reasons. My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.